Hey guys, remember I told you guys I was doing chin chin and coated peanut butter, plantain chips and zobo while I was away. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to do crunchy and watering chin chin. So all you need to do is to check the description box below to get the right measurement for this tools for this chin chin. I'll get to show you how I make my crunchy chin chin. In case this is your first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. You're welcome to Anabe's Kitchen and Bake. If you've not subscribed, please do where to hit the subscribe button below, to like, share and to comment. And to know when I upload a new video, you need to turn on your notification button. So these are the list of the ingredients you'll be needing. You need butter, margarine, you need sugar, you need egg, you need nutmeg, you need cinnamon powder, you need milk, you need salt, baking powder optional, and flour of course. So please check the description button for more details. Let's go into the details. So first thing I'll be doing is to take in all my ingredients into my bowl. You need a very spacious bowl for this recipe. As you can see, this is my flour, butter, salt. I added sugar to it. After adding the salt, nutmeg, a cinnamon powder, and I'm adding my margarine. You can use butter, and I added the baking powder to this. So I'll just use my hand to mix everything together. I have to do this so everything will incorporate together and make it free. After that, after mixing properly, I had to crack in my egg, as you can see. Then the next thing I'll be taking in is my water milk. Water milk is normal, your regular milk diluted with water, you get. So after mixing it, after pouring it, I have to mix everything together to come together. Then I'll take it to my working space and give it a thorough kneading. You have to knead properly. This is what I am doing. Follow this video to understand what I am saying, please. So after kneading for about 5 minutes thereabout, I'll have to allow this to rest for just some minutes, and after that I'll start cutting to my desired shape. And once I'm done, I'll proceed to the frying process. So watch this video till the end. In case you're watching to this point and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button below, and to get notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to turn on your notification button. So this cutting, it depends on how you want it. You can cut it as you want, your desired shape and sizes. Okay, so let's go on with the watching of the video.
Right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I choose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one? Are you blaming on me and you the main one? Are you threatening me and I'm the main one? Just tryna be your everything. Main one, are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one? Are you blaming on me and you the main one? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one?
So that was that, and then we'll go over to the frying process. Okay, so the process of frying it, you just have to heat up your frying pan and then add your vegetable oil. To be sure that your oil is well heated enough, you just taking a drop into it, and once it bubbles, just know that your oil is ready, and then you can start taking in your cut chin chin into the frying pan and check on it. 5 minutes interval, you just have to keep checking to be sure that your chin chin is ready. Looking at it right now, it's not ready. This is not ready, so you just have to keep stirring. You keep stirring and stirring on a low heat or on a medium heat. Your fire don't need to be so hot. Just look at what I'm doing. It's not ready. When it's ready, it starts getting brown, and for you to get that crunchy taste from your mouth, like melt in the mouth kind of chin chin, you need to use a very right recipe, and that is why I brought this to you. Now you can see that I'm taking it off the heat. That is to tell you that our chin chin is ready, well fried. Please use a very good vegetable oil. What I use in my chin chin is emperor, and that is the end product of what we did, because I did a lot of quantity because I wanted to supply it out, and I had to use the opportunity to film this video for you guys. Hope you like this process. Hope you're okay with this video. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up in our video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to tell your family, your loved ones, and don't forget to turn on your notification button to always subscribe. The secret of getting a crunchy chin chin is how you fry it to dry, not really dried like that, but let it fry properly for you to get that yummy taste. And don't forget to have enough milk in your chin chin, getting that crunchy, and make it taste. Bye, and see you in my next video.